Hello traders, this is Ad Zeros and I wanted to showcase you today that one of my live trade and how you can basically learn and use the level 2 for your benefit. So now look at the FSR. I'm going to play the video. In FSR, I'm trying to, you see here is a 6% almost gapped up. This is the first minute it tried to went back up at 23 and couldn't. Now when I look at the level 2, I saw there's a big bid which is almost 245,000 shares. Now look at it, how did it play? And I saw that what's happening here. And if you look at this, the pre-market level, if you have attended my pre-market session, we have this line on the 2072 as a support. Now I'm looking at it and I see that from the 270 is now 240 and is clearly closely coming down and down. Now 229, 227, look at the 224, 218 and see how with the much pace it's just been keep the someone some any there is a one buyer who's just keep absorbing all the shares, and I'm just waiting to for the right moment to short because I was expecting that if this uh, support is going to break, then there will be no different, there's no going to be no buyer and there will be no support. So I'm waiting for this to come down. I have put my shares down here and now I'm just like a hawk, I'm just waiting for this number to come down because this can be an important resistance as well. So if it comes down and touch back and go back up, it can be a very hard short squeeze. That's why what I did, I basically put the stop loss order as well. And I was thinking that whether should I keep the stop loss or should I. Now you see that. Now you see here is 40,000 remaining shares. And now I'm thinking, okay, this is the perfect time to short because I'm expecting the big drop here. So 2070, 29,000. I already shorted 2,000 shares. 28,000, 28,000, and I'm also very close to the closing it because I know if it's going to squeeze back up, I'm going to quickly close it. Hey, here is the drop. Now it dropped here. Now I'm waiting to see that whether it is going to break 2250 or not. If not, then I'm going to close it. So look at this. I'm just quickly waiting that whether it's going to break 2050 or not, and I'm going to break this. I'm waiting for to see what is going to happen. Now it's getting closer. 52. Now there's someone is absorbing that. 2252. And here you go. Broke the 2250 and immediately shorted 2000 more shares. And now I wanted to put the trailing order and I wanted to see what I already put the trailing order now because I don't want this to push back up and I don't want to lose my profit. So here you go. Awesome. I got the first partial at almost 80 cents partial. That was a beautiful trade in just 1 minute. I was not expecting too much because if you see on the 5 minutes, you will see here this is a 50 moving average and immediately it bounced back from the 50 moving average. So this is a very strong stock. So I'm not sure that it broke because there's someone who's dumping the share. It gonna continue, it doesn't want to continue. So I'm not sure at this point. So that's why I want to take a partial, pay myself up, and I'm not expecting too much from it at this point because this is the gapped up stock. And this big bar is a very big bar. And so I just wanted to showcase you that how you can use a level two to benefit yourself and you can use the tape. Now see it's going down now. Now I'm getting excited because it's now getting to, so I wanted to see that can I take one more partial if it's crossed 21. So now I've got the one more trailing order here. It's going, baby going, it's going, baby is going 290. Let's see, does it continue? And I when I saw it coming back down, so I immediately canceled it and bring it back. So no, see, it's bounced back up. So now I'm thinking that since it's backed up down, is most likely is gonna bounce back up now because at this time the market was also bouncing back. So you saw me, then I'm quickly took another partial with almost all the shares off except the 400 shares. So that is the way I have traded my FSR trade. I put the stop loss before the break even because I don't want to get the negative in that. But I still have 400 shares. If it's going to continue downward, I'm going to get some more money on it. If not, then I'm okay, whatever I got the profit. So this was my first trade in FSR. It was a beautiful trade. I just wanted to showcase to you that how you can use the level to take a trade. So hope you've enjoyed it, hope you learned it, and if you wanted to see more videos like that, I would encourage you to please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I would help you with this process. Come join me tomorrow morning for my pre-market prep session. And also, if you wanted to join my team for the World Series day trading competition, would love to, will really appreciate, and would be a pleasure for you guys to if you can join my team. Thank you.